Alright, so we got a Gehl 1085. We had a blower band crack. So we're putting a new blower band on, and I've been fighting with it for a little while, but I finally found the trick, and that's to put a ratchet strap on it. Ratchet strap it to the bottom, to the outside. You can just see right there. And then all the way around to the top. And tighten that up as hard as you can. And then I got a hammer and a chisel, and it's pretty blunt on the end of the chisel, but then I'm hammering on one of these bolts up on top here. You probably can't really see it, but it's right up on the top there. I actually ground the top of it off because it was kind of hitting on the outside there. So that's the trick to getting this blower band on. Otherwise it took me quite a while of trying to push it and shove it up in there, but it's pretty tight. So the tin work had to come off or across the back in the port here, and then this bracket that's supposed to hold the blower band on. And then I did touch up the inside, and you're not gonna be able to see it, but I did touch up the inside where the bolts go with a grinder. And then I'm gonna blow out the grooves down there with the air hose. So then we should be able to get her back together so we can keep chopping. But I just wanted to show you the trick of putting a ratchet strap on it and using a chisel and a hammer to drive it up in there, because it took me a little while to figure that out.